Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the drone world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This next-gen marvel is not just an upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro, it's an all-new benchmark for ultra-portable drones in 2025 and beyond. From AI-driven flight controls to stunning imaging features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to change the way content creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts think about compact aerial photography. Let's break down all the confirmed specs, potential, upgrades, and exciting new features that make the DJI Mini 5 Pro a standout in the crowded drone market. Stick around till the end. We've got release date predictions, pricing expectations, camera enhancements, and a comprehensive comparison with the DJI Mini 4 Pro next-gen drone tech. Smaller, smarter, mightier DJI has done it again. The DJI Mini 5 Pro redefines what's possible in a compact drone. While staying under the crucial 250 dr weight limit, this ultralight drone comes packed with next-level AI features, smarter tracking, better aerodynamics, and a revamped design built for more intense flying sessions. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just a minor iteration. This is a full-on leap forward. Think faster speeds, extended flight range, intelligent scene recognition, and improved cinematic tools, all in a palm-sized device. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial landscapes, following fast-moving subjects, or creating vlogs on the go, this drone is designed to deliver cinematic results effortlessly. DJI Mini 5 Pro versus Mini 4 Pro. What's really new? You might be wondering, how much better is the Mini 5 Pro compared to the Mini 4 Pro? Quite a bit. While the Mini 4 Pro already introduced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and solid camera capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro looks set to refine these. Areas dramatically key comparisons and upgrades include AI-enhanced obstacle avoidance. The Mini 4 Pro had omnidirectional sensors. The Mini 5 Pro takes this further with AI-powered collision detection, smarter ActiveTrack 6.0, and real-time 3D object mapping. Extended flight time. While the Mini 4 Pro hovered around 34 minutes of real-world flight time, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to push this to 40-45 minutes, using a new intelligent battery system. Improved camera sensor. Expect a bump to either a 1-inch sensor or an upgraded 1.3-inch CMOS, with better low-light performance, HDR video, and even variable aperture. Advanced obstacle avoidance and flight intelligence. The DJI Mini 5 Pro will likely come equipped with enhanced obstacle detection sensors placed strategically around the body for true 360-degree awareness. Leveraging deep learning algorithms and computer vision, DJI seems focused on enabling more confident, autonomous flying, especially in crowded or complex environments. This means precision landing, better auto return to home accuracy, and advanced safety features even in low light or low GPS scenarios. Perfect for beginners who want to fly worry-free and pros who need reliability. Revolutionary AI-powered flight modes. One of the highlights of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the integration of advanced AI flight assistance. This goes beyond just obstacle detection. We're talking about gesture-based controls for launching, landing, and capturing photos or videos. Real-time subject tracking with AI that understands human movement and anticipates motion. Scene detection that adjusts color tones, white balance, and exposure settings for more cinematic results automatically. Waypoint Navigation 2.0, allowing users to plot complex flight paths for fully automated storytelling. These features are perfect for solo content creators, vloggers, and outdoor adventurers who want stunning footage without needing a second operator. Battery life and smart charging enhancements. DJI understands that drone battery life is everything. That's why the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to introduce a new generation of intelligent batteries, offering flight times approaching 45 minutes under optimal conditions. But it's not just about duration. Efficiency is key. Expect smarter power management, using AI algorithms that adapt based on wind resistance, speed, and temperature. There's also talk of faster charging speeds, USB-C fast charging support, next-gen smart charging hub that can top off 3 batteries in rotation, prioritizing those with the most charge first for maximum uptime. This is great news for travelers, hikers, and field creators who need reliability in remote conditions. Camera system, built for creators. Arguably, the most exciting upgrade lies in the camera technology. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could redefine what's possible in sub-250G drones. Inch or improved 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, better low-light shooting, higher dynamic range, f1.7 aperture, allowing more light into the lens, perfect for dusk-dawn shoots, 4K at 60 FPS, buttery smooth, high-definition footage HDR video support 10-bit color depth, ideal for professional color grading AI auto-framing and scene recognition, lets you shoot cinematic scenes with minimal manual input vertical shooting mode, tailored for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. These features ensure that no matter your platform, your aerial footage will look polished and professional. Design and build. Durable, foldable, and stylish design-wise, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a sleeker, more aerodynamic frame, built using new lightweight materials that boost durability without exceeding the 250-gram limit. Rumored improvements include refined folding arms with sturdier hinge mechanisms, improved heat dissipation system for longer shoots, better gimbal protection. For safe transport, weather resistance enhancements to tackle light rain and dust, a redesigned controller, possibly an upgraded DJI RC3 with enhanced grip, better screen visibility in sunlight, and improved haptic feedback. The new compact frame isn't just stylish, it's practical. This makes it easier to store, travel with, and deploy in seconds. Smart features for effortless content creation. DJI is blurring the lines between drone and smart camera. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring creators a range of intelligent features, like auto-editing templates, generate reels and vlogs on the go, direct cloud uploads, no laptop needed, publish straight from your drone, instant sharing, send footage directly to social apps via the DJI Fly app voice commands, a potential new feature for hands-free operation. These features empower creators to do more with less. Whether you're a travel vlogger or real estate agent, the Mini 5 Pro will make content creation fast, intuitive, and mobile first. Release date and pricing breakdown. So when can you get your hands on the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Based on DJI's release cycle, the drone is likely to launch between Q4 2025 and Q1 2026. This timeline aligns with previous mini-series launches and follows the pattern of annual or biannual refreshes. In terms of price, here's what we're expecting. Base model. Pakkur Yars. 999 Fly More Combo. 1,299 Premium Bundle. 1,499. While that's a slight jump from the Mini 4 Pro pricing, the added features justify the increase, especially for creators and professionals who value time-saving automation and next-level visuals. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth it? Final thoughts to wrap it up. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just another iteration. It's a powerful reimagining of what a compact drone can be in 2025. With its blend of AI-powered intelligence, professional-grade camera tech, lightweight design, and smart connectivity tools, it's built for the modern creator on the move. Key highlights: superior AI obstacle avoidance, upgraded camera for professional-grade results, longer flight time with smart battery tech, intuitive flight features that even beginners can use, seamless content creation from sky to screen. If DJI nails the balance between price, performance, and portability, this could very well be the best lightweight drone ever made, and a must-have for everyone from filmmakers and YouTubers to travelers and explorers.